Is Instadoodle AI Doodle Maker worth it or legit? If you have a question like this, in this video, I'm going to help solve your problem. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. There's a link in the description. If you follow through that link and buy any of the paid plans on Instadoodle, I may get a small commission. Let's get to it. I would say it's totally worth it, and it's a legit website, and the tool works perfectly fine. It's not a scam. And you can see here that they have got this really good website with an explainer video as well. And you can create these type of whiteboard animations using Instadoodle. They also have this Doodle AI Maker. So you can just make these doodles with the help of AI. Also recently launched AI Wizard, which allows you to make the whole entire project from your script. And it also has these AI voiceovers inside it. But this is available as an upgrade. So you need to upgrade this and make a one-time payment. So the first plan, like if I click here, is going to take us over to this page. These are monthly plans, but they have the lifetime deal as well, which is probably going to be around $30-ish. And then you'll be inside the app. Then you can upgrade to the Pro plan if you want, which is going to be $97, which includes all of this, but do not worry about it. You can also just do fine with the basic plan. I also have the basic plan, and I'm going to show you that it's completely fine to use this as well. Now, if you're an agency that makes whiteboard animation videos, or if you are someone who wants to promote your products online, it could be a drop shipping product, or it could be some product that you want to sell online. You can make these type of whiteboard animations and sell them or market it online. Like here are some of the examples that have been made. So let's take a look at one of them. So yeah, this is the type of videos you can create using this tool, and it's the best Doodly alternative currently available. So this is what I was saying. You can just ask it, and you can create any doodle image that you can imagine with the help of AI. This is the Doodle AI engine, and you can create these type of doodles inside it. Many people have this problem that if your library does not support what I need, what am I going to do? Like, I do not know how to make these sketch arts. But do not worry, the Instadoodle's Doodle AI engine has got your back. It's 100% cloud-based, so you do not need to install it. You just can get access to it anywhere you want, but you need to have access to the internet. Now you got 1,000+ doodle characters and elements inside it, and you do not need any tech skills or design skills. Now, as I go into the dashboard, I can create a new project by clicking on this plus icon. I've got a full tutorial on this. You can check it out on my channel, which is going to appear at the end of this video. So you can go inside it and check it out. And also, if you do decide to get one of these paid plans, make sure to go through the link in the description, which is going to help me out with a small commission as well. Now, this is the manual mode, and the next one is AI Wizard. This, like I said before, is for $67, and it's a one-time payment. So you can do a one-clip script generate, automatic video creation, and they also have these professional AI voiceovers inside it. Now, if I go for manual mode, I can click on next, and I've got all of these templates inside it. And as the Valentine's Day is approaching, they've also got this template that they have created inside, and you can click on it and click on next. Now it's going to take you over to the edit project page. And now inside this is the timeline. You can scroll through it, and you can also select each of these elements, replace this image with your own, and you've got these settings, property settings on the right hand side. So you can increase the line weight, etc. In the project, you can select the soundtrack, you can change the hands here. So the hands that come in to draw, you can change them from here. You can also delete these in the timeline, these slides. You can also add the new one by clicking on this. So on the left hand side, you've got the doodles, so you can choose between them. Choose one, and it's going to be inserted into the slide. Then you can move it around and scale it up or down like that and place it. They've also got props, filters, and now you can also upload your own image. So you can upload an image, and it's going to be converted into a black and white vector. that is also possible with this. There's a generate with AI. So you can just describe it what you want, and it's going to generate that doodle for you. So like here, I've generated these, and if I go inside the custom, I can see here that these are the doodle images that have been generated with the Doodle AI engine. So I can click here, going to be inserted. This is one image that has been generated with the AI Doodle engine. And these I uploaded over on Instadoodle, and they have these black outlines. So this was a full colored image, and now it's in the outline. They also got these text, so you can add text to it. So you can just add the text, and then you can change it. So you just double click it. You can also type it in another language. So for example, if I say English to Russian, and I just type here something like this. So this is the new language, this is Russian. So I can just copy this, go back to the project, and here I can just type it like that. That's it. And these are text formatting and animation and such for it, the style. Now, if you're wondering if it has an ability to auto-generate in another language, that's not possible. As per my understanding, that it may be possible with the Pro version that they have, because it had that multilingual support, and that's possible with it. So you need to upgrade to the Pro plan, possibly. There's also layers next on this side, and you can move these layers around by clicking and dragging up and down. And if you move it, if you move the YouTube logo above this, because this is above this layer, which is below it, boy with glasses. And if I move it up, it's going to be above this YouTube logo that way. And I can also hide it, unhide it, lock it, copy it, duplicate. This is duplicate, and duplicate it that way. And I can delete it by clicking, by pressing on delete on my keyboard, or I can also press on this icon to delete it. And then once you're done, you can just click on export. And now you need to render it first. Once you've rendered it, you can then play it or download it to your computer. And that's it. So if you're still wondering if it's worth it and it's legit software or not, yes, Instadoodle is a legit software and it's worth it for making these type of whiteboard animation videos. So it's the best doodle AI creator in the market. And currently I've seen some of these doodle creators, and out of those, I think that Instadoodle is the best one, and it's quickly rising up in the market. So yeah, that's it. Did you find this video helpful? If you did, let me know with a like and comment. And also, there's a link in the description. Like I said before, if you do decide to get one of these plans, I may get a small commission. See you again in the next one.